Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to create a drop-down list in Excel. So what you want to do is first is create the selections of your list. So just type them out. So we'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to create a list in which you can select between 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So in a new cell, go ahead and go to Data in the top ribbon here, and over on the middle right of the screen, click Data Validation. In the Settings tab here, for Allow, we're going to say List, and the source we're going to drag over the fields that we want the list to display. Then hit OK, and now we see a drop-down arrow here, and we can select 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.